Imagine yourself in this 2009 Nissan Altima 2.5. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include aluminum wheels, heated front seat, power driver seat, passenger airbag, cruise control, rear bench seat, leather seats, and engine immobilizer. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.